The modue, Next-Gen Modular Control Station, is a recently funded Kickstarter project that aims to revolutionize the way you interact with your digital world. Here's a breakdown of its key features, potential benefits, and drawbacks. Features: modular design. The core concept of modue lies in its modularity. It consists of click. This central module features 5 customizable buttons with LED indicators. You can assign macros, mute, unmute functions, launch apps, and create shortcuts based on your preferences. Optional expansion modules. Additional modules can be attached to the click, potentially expanding functionalities for specific use cases like gaming or content creation. However, information on these modules is currently limited. Macro programming. Assign specific actions or shortcuts to each button for personalized control over your workflow. Seamless integration. The modue integrates with various platforms and apps, expanding its functionality and allowing users to control different aspects of their digital world through a single device. Hot swappable switches. Choose the switch type that best suits your preferences for a tactile and responsive experience. User-friendly interface. The modue features a simple and intuitive interface, making it easy to set up and use, even for those without extensive technical knowledge. Compact and portable. The lightweight and sleek design makes it easy to carry around. Here are some of the pros and cons of the modue. Pros: increased productivity, customization, ergonomic comfort, platform agnostic. Cons: limited information, crowdfunding campaign. Price. Overall, the modue, Next-Gen Modular Control Station, presents a unique and innovative concept for users seeking a customizable and efficient way to interact with their digital world. However, the limited information, crowdfunding nature, and potential cost are factors to consider before backing the project. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.